Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Advocate Aurora Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and at the search bar type in Advocate Aurora Login and click on enter. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find this link, careers.aes.org. You can also see a title, Applicant Resources, Advocate Aurora Careers. Now click on the link. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage of Advocate Healthcare. Now scroll down and you will see two options, Job Search and Workday Login. Click on Workday Login option. Now you will be redirected to another tab, and here you can enter your email address and password. After typing the email address and password, you can click on sign in to use your Advocate Aurora account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to comment down below if you have any queries.